KZN Motorhome Club get together, Unto Palms rally, 10 camper vans and 1 caravan. Morning, Saturday morning, Unto Palms. Got up early this morning, went down to the beach to wait for sunrise, and eventually it started raining, so I had to come back, and there wasn't much of a sunrise. There's a little bit of a color in the sky now. It's 6:30 in the morning, and looks like most of these guys are either still fast asleep or they just lying in this morning, having a lazy morning. Still a little bit of a drizzle, but at least the humidity is gone, so it's just nice and cool at the moment. Morning, Sunday morning, time to go now, move on, go to the next site. Just been here for a weekend at Unto Palms with the KZN Motorhome Club, and actually quite a nice day, nice cool breeze, sunny. But it's time to move on now. See you on the flip side. Cheers. The first thing I did is filled up the water tank because it was nearly empty when I left Unto Palms because of the water shortage there, whatever problem they had there, so no water. So now it's full again. Time to move on again. Leave Ifafa and going back to Scotborough. Looking forward to that again. Right on the beachfront. Couldn't get the same stand what I had last time, or the same site, but got the one right next to it. Good morning, ladies.
Morning, morning.
My office for the next 3 days. Take a bit of time for the exposure to adapt, but that is my view. Thanks Bronwyn for organising all the props for me. I really appreciate that. Just a bummer that you didn't feel well, that we couldn't do a proper photo shoot. Lovely sun rays out over the sea. Packed and ready to go. Going back home now. Been a couple of days out on the road, camp hopping, and see you later. Cheers. Ja, en check you pop in. Cheers, see you later. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Nice couple of days away from home. And yeah, I had different types of weather all week. But it was a good tester, trying out and testing everything. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll appreciate that. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers.